And we are encouraging that they must generate their own revenue, because the exchequer, as it is now, is not going to be able to continue funding more, because in Kenya education takes 25.9%. So we have to find other ways.
Ino ni miario ya Minister wa Githomo Ezekiel Machogu kiumia kihituku. Miario iria itumurite urugari na gukirirwo ni anyititemi sekta-ini ya githomo. Machogu riu niagarurite murugamo, akiuga miario yake yataurirwo uria gutagiriire, akiranira thirikari no iguthii nambere kuheana kigina kuri university.
Nobody ever said, I repeat it here, that university funds are going to be done away with. No.
Ona thenge ya thirikari gukorwo ikinyihia kigina kiria kigayagirwo ministry itiganite, Machogu nioritie thukuru cia university kwaga kugena wagagu, akiuga kigina giki gitikunyihio. Ona kuhanura uguo, akiuga ni megucaria njira ingi cia university gukorwo igicaria kigina makiria kia mahuthiro.
Our universities relax, get assured that government will continue the way it has been doing over the years to fund our universities, but we are also asking, and this is what we agreed when I was in Kameme University, that if there are other ways that we can also be able to generate income for our universities, why not?
Ikundi tiganite ni ciyumiritie kumenereria miario ya Machogu, ari hamwe na ngwataniro ya arutani a ciana iria cikoragwo na wathe bururi-ini kuhitukira muikariri giti wao James Torome.
We are advising him, let him call all the education sector and discuss that matter so that we see how we are going to make the education sector to run smoothly.
Maya mokite riri anyititemi sekta-ini ya githomo mathiite na mbere kuheana mendekithia mao makoni mutaratara wa githomo wa CBC kuri kamiti iria yombirwo kumurika mogaruruku maria mabatie gukinyanirio sekta-ini ya githomo kuria umuthi matinda county-ini ya Meru.
The issue of CBC is very expensive. If the government caters for the expense, then the teachers will implement that curriculum. It is also time demanding.
The content is also very wide. That is example in PHE in grade 6. And they need 2 years to learn the content better.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Gina wa Wadurwa.